Meaning of exercise ball.
Exercise ball.
Exercise ball.
Exercise ball.
Exercise ball. An exercise ball, also known as a stability ball or Swiss ball, is a large inflatable ball typically made of soft elastic materials and used for various physical exercises. It is commonly found in gyms, fitness centers, and even some workplaces. The ball's instability requires the user to engage their core muscles to maintain balance during exercises such as sit-ups, squats, and push-ups. Using an exercise ball can improve posture, strengthen muscles, increase flexibility, and provide a challenging workout. It's a versatile piece of equipment suitable for people of all fitness levels and ages.